Hi there. Thank you for joining us today. We are installing drapery for the legendary Clyde Jackson of Wynne Jackson. We're on the 23rd floor of the Plaza of the Americas, downtown Dallas. Let's take a look.
3 inches for clearance. I got obvious clearance here.
I'm going to call the designer and get our plan approved for this installation. Hey there, Donna, it's Stacy. Hey, we're in the office and we're squared away, and we plan to put one rod 6 feet long to the left of the pillar and one rod 6 foot long to the right of the pillar.